Here we are at chapter 1, target 4C. We're asked to find the missing side here. And just looking at our triangle, we do notice that it is in fact a right triangle. And with our right triangles, the sides opposite of them are always going to be the longest. So right here, the 7.4 is going to be our hypotenuse. Every single time that it's opposite of that 90 degrees, it's always our hypotenuse. Now, also, anytime we have a right triangle, we can go ahead and use our Pythagorean theorem to help us in identifying maybe some potential sides that are missing here. And the Pythagorean theorem says that if we take one of our legs and square him, and add the other leg and square him, that this is going to be equal to our hypotenuse when we square him. Now, when we're talking about our legs, we've already determined which one's the hypotenuse, which is also our C. The legs, it really doesn't matter which one is our A and which one is our B. Because again, this is a leg, and this is another leg, and this is our hypotenuse. But again, it doesn't matter which one is our leg. Which one is our A, which one is our B. So we'll go ahead and say that this is our A, this 3.6 is our A, and this missing side, we'll call him B. That we don't know what he is right now. So when we go ahead and throw in one of our legs, which is A here, this 3.6, we end up with 3.6, that's being squared, plus our other leg, which we don't know what he is, but it's being squared, equals our hypotenuse, or our C, that is being squared. So the 7.4, which is our hypotenuse, and that is being squared. From here, we want to go ahead and find out what these decimal values are when we do square them. So our 3.6 squared gives us 12.96 plus our B squared is equal to our 54.76. Now, our end game here is to try and figure out what is B. What is our missing leg that we don't know? Well, this 12.96 really has nothing to do with this B. And as a result, we're trying to, again, get B on one side and all the other stuff on the other of the equal sign. So what we can go ahead and do is subtract over this 12.96 from both sides. Now with our positive 12.96 and our negative 12.96, those will actually go ahead and drop out and cancel one another, leaving us with just our B squared on that left side of the equation. We have B squared over here. Our equal sign can just drop. And then our 54.76 minus our 12.96, our 54.76 minus our 12.96 gives us 41.8. Home stretch. Right now we have B squared, but we don't want B squared. We want to get rid of this squared and just have B by himself. And to do that, we would actually have to take the square root of both sides, because when a square root and a squared come together, they cancel and kill each other off, leaving us with just our B, which is equal to the square root of 41.8, or our B is about 6.47. So either of these two answers, you will be correct. Again, that is our chapter 1 target for C.